In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Canva in a WordPress website, and this process will take you just about 5 minutes to complete. It's a quick and easy way to bring your Canva design straight into your WordPress site, enhancing the visual appeal and professionalism of your content. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to Canva. Once you're there, find the design you wish to embed. When you're in your design, look towards the top right corner and click on the Share button. This button opens up a variety of sharing options for your design. After clicking Share, you'll notice an option labeled See All. You want to click on this to expand all available options for sharing your creation. This is where we'll find the embedding options that we need. Next, you should see the Embed option. Go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial as it allows us to get the HTML embed code required to display the Canva design directly on your web page. When you click on Embed, you'll be presented with the HTML embed code. Simply click on Copy to copy this code to your clipboard. It's a small snippet of code, but it's all we need to get that design onto your WordPress site. Now let's switch gears and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to Pages. You'll do this by hovering your cursor over the Pages menu option on your dashboard. This will reveal more options related to managing your pages. From here, click on Add Page to create a new page for your Canva design. This is where you'll be placing the HTML code you copied earlier. Once inside the page editor, it's time to add a new block. Look for the plus icon, typically found at the top left corner or within the page itself, and click on it. This will allow you to add various types of content to your page. The next step is to choose Custom HTML from the available options. Doing this gives you a space to paste the HTML embed code we copied from Canva. Paste the copied code directly into the custom HTML block. You'll see a preview of your page update instantly, showcasing your Canva design embedded right there on the page, as it will appear to your website visitors. Before publishing, it's a good idea to preview your work. Click on Preview to see how your page will appear once live. This helps catch any errors or adjustments you might want before making the page publicly accessible. If everything looks good in the preview, then you're ready to go live. Click on Publish to make your new page available to visitors on your WordPress site. There you have it, your Canva design embedded beautifully on your WordPress page, ready to impress your audience. By following these straightforward steps, you've effectively brought the vibrant and creative world of Canva into your WordPress website with minimal fuss, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics.